Today I'm going to be covering this Amazon mirror slash medicine cabinet. It has a nice mirrored look all the way around it. The side panels slide in, and it actually has like 3M sticky that kind of hold them on the side. It does go into a groove, so they're fairly secure, but not a big fan of the side panels. You can have this on the outside of the wall, or you can install it recessed, and durability and quality are reasonable. I guess we'll see how it does long term. Everything works as it should. It's easy to install, and everything fits together quite nicely. So the brackets are high quality. It comes with lots of different anchors to help you install it, and the installation process is easy. Hey guys, welcome back to another review video. Today I'm going to be showing you this mirror that I installed. I put it in my laundry room. You could put it in a bathroom or wherever you might have a sink and you want to have a mirror. So the installation can be done both recessed and then inside the wall or outside of the wall. So obviously this was an outside of the wall install, and just a couple screws and brackets up here that hold it in place, and then down below there's a couple screws as well. So I'll show you the quick installation video as soon as we're done here. So here's the inside of it. It looks real nice. The mirror finish is nice and shiny. It's got a couple different shelves in it that you can position in any height that you want them at. And it's got different notches on this side, but you can adjust them out, in, up, down, whichever way you'd like. So the ones that I got, I'm pretty happy with how this is closing. I don't need to make any adjustments. And then it has a nice soft close function because it's got these little pads on each corner, so it closes real nice. But as you can see, it looks pretty nice. The sides look nice, and it's got a nice shiny finish. Inside looks good. Everything looks real professional. All these shelves are nice and sturdy. The hinges are nice and strong as well. So I really like how it looks. It doesn't take up a lot of space. And let me show you that installation video. All right, so I got the old cabinet out of there, and I'll show you where I'm going to put the new mirror. I'm going to put it right in my in here. So you can wall mount this, or you can recess mount it as well. So mine's just a wall mount. So with the wall mount, you're going to want to put the side panels on, which they come out of the box just like this. So you remove the film, and then you remove this 3M sticky stuff, and then I'll show you how it slides into place. All right, so I got it on its side right here. As you can see, the sticky film is there. So we're gonna wanna put it in just like this, and we got the sticky film is gonna stick to this on the side right here when we put it in. All right, so you can see that you need to have 3 inches in between your sink and the bottom of this, and then 3 inches between your light and the top. All right, so here are my marks. A lot of these marks I did not put up here. So these are from the last people that did whatever behind here. But these are the 2 marks that I'm going to be using to put my middle stabilizer or the top bracket up. And this is all right. So I got the top bracket on. It's nice and sturdy. And then for the bottom 2, I got that in there. And then this will be my regular screw hole into my beam in the back. So let me get the mirror up there and we'll screw it all in. All right, I got all 4 of the screws on. So 2 up here that hold this bracket, and then there's one there and one right there.